Today we are going to start with the topic accounts and its types. What is the meaning of accounts? An account is a summarized record of any transaction or dealing with one person or relating to one type of asset, property, relating to any one type of income or expenditure. What it means? Any related transaction with a specific person are recorded in a particular account, or any related transaction related to particular asset. For example, अगर कोई ट्रांजेक्शन रिलेटेड टू फर्नीचर है तो वही अकाउंट में लिखा जाएगा, अगर वो रिलेटिंग टू बिल्डिंग है तो बिल्डिंग अकाउंट में ही लिखा जाएगा, किसी और जगह पे उसको नहीं लिखा जाएगा। या अगर सीता से रिलेटेड अकाउंट है तो उसके रिलेटेड सभी ट्रांजैक्शन उसके अकाउंट में लिखे जाएंगे। बट ये लिखने के लिए, इजी जाने के लिए, वी मस्ट अंडरस्टूड what is the different types of accounts. When we are talking about the different types of accounts, there are mainly two types of accounts: personal account and impersonal account. Personal account and impersonal account. In impersonal account is again divided into real account and nominal account. Let us start with the personal account first. In personal account, there are mainly three types of accounts: natural person, artificial person, and representative person. Now let us see what is the natural person account. In natural persons, we includes Ram account, Sita account, all the persons which are naturally born, Geeta account. These are the natural persons account. All the transactions related to that persons are recorded in that person, a particular person's account. Second one is artificial person. It is a person, artificial person. It is not a natural person. For example, Bank of Baroda, any company, XYZ company account, school account, college account is called as artificial person's account. They have their common seal as a signature, but there is no a specific person. We can say that this is a bank, this is a XYZ company. They have their authorities there, but one person cannot be identified as that person. So it is called as artificial person. Again, I am giving the example of artificial person, that is bank account, school account, colleges account is an example of artificial persons. Third is the most important is representative person. Representative personal account, we will see the afterwards. When we see the nominal account, it is related with the representative personal. So representative personal account, we will see the afterwards. Let us move the impersonal account. In impersonal account, there are two types: real account and nominal account. Real account includes different types of assets and properties like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, investment. These are included in the real accounts. Whereas nominal account includes all types of incomes, expenses, and profit and losses. For example, rent received or paid, salary received or paid, wages received or paid, rent received or paid. These are all related with the nominal account. Any expenses, loss on sale of any furniture are considered as nominal account. Any expenses due to business purpose, we can consider as nominal account, or any profit from business activities we can consider as a nominal account. Then let us move again to the representative personal. See, in nominal account, we have see that salary account, rent account is the nominal account. But with the nominal account, if the word outstanding, prepaid, paid in advance, received in advance start, uh, if the nominal account come with the word outstanding, prepaid, जैसे outstanding wages, outstanding salary, prepaid expenses, it will become a representative person. Why it is so? When we are talking about the salary, it is not for a specific purpose. It is for entire staff. But when we are going to talk about the outstanding salary, it means it is remained to give for a specific person, not for entire staff. So it will become a representative person. Same about the wages. When entire staff wages are considered, it is a nominal account. But if it is a prepaid wages or outstanding wages, it related with a specific persons and it will become a representative personal. Let us start with the in detail about that. Personal account. Personal account includes accounts of natural person, artificial persons, and representative personal. We have already seen that. Then real account, cash account, furniture account, all types of investment, land and building, etc. In nominal account, it includes all types of expenses, incomes, losses, and profit. Let us have a practice on this. Here there is some list of accounts. We are going to identify it with its reasons. Now Sita account. Sita is a naturally born person. So it is naturally born and a person. So it is become a personal account. So Sita become a personal account. Okay. Sita become a personal account. Rajesh account. Again, he is a natural person. So it is become a personal account. We have to classify the account between personal, real and nominal. Number 3 is furniture account. We have already seen that all types of assets and properties are included under the real account. So furniture account become a real account. Salary paid. Salary is our expense. Salary paid is expenses for business, and all types of expenses are included in a nominal account. Then wages paid. Again, wages is expenses for business and all types of expenses are included in the nominal account. Bank of India account. Bank of India is an artificial person. So it is included in the personal account. ZY company account, again, it is a company account and company is an artificial person. So it will become a personal account. Rent received account, again, rent received is an income for business and any type of income is included under the head nominal account. Next one is outstanding salary. Now remember that salary is a nominal account, but it is come with the word outstanding, so it will become personal account. It is a representative personal account, but we have to write only personal account. Then prepaid expenses. Again, it is come with the word prepaid. Expenses is a nominal account, but before expenses there is a word prepaid. Prepaid means paid in advance. It will become representative personal. So we have to write here personal account. So here is the some classification. We can easily understood how to calculate, how to classify the accounts. Okay.